So another issue that we knew about when we bought the boat is the steering mechanism. Runs through to the two rudders, and on the port side it's deteriorated. So we're going to get it off and swap it out with the new one that he actually had on the boat. So nice. When I need that. Okay, so now I have this piece off, and actually now that I look at this, there are some cracks. Yeah, we'll replace that piece also. But what I need to do is make sure that this boat will still steer. So where this ball is critical, because it changes the entire, it's the fixed place where the cable slides in and out of, which turns the boat. So if I don't put this back in the same place, then the boat will always be slightly crooked. Consequently, if I ever find that the boat is not both rudders are tracking together, this would be where that adjustment would get made. Anyway, figure that out. I need to mark it with a Sharpie. Okay, so I've got the centerpiece on, but these holes came just very, very small. Probably so you can, mate it up with exactly what you have coming through the hole. But they're too small, and I forgot my drill index, not the right one. So I'm going to use this very small Dremel tool, and I've got these on for safety and awesomeness. I hate this tube. Should have just bought a caulk gun of this crap. I'm not, we should do those, you're right. Hang on, I need to put shit in that though. I don't have any adhesive. Give me just a second. I need you to go to pretty tight. Going. Okay. Make sure we get a nice seal all the way around here. Yes. Okay. Okay, and we reconnect the steering cable. And that's all there is to it. Done. Took us, I don't know, about an hour.